My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. As in our last lecture, we did exercise 2.3 up to question number 1. Now we are going to start from question number 2. Question number 2 is f of x is equal to 1 minus 4x minus x square. F of x equal to 1 minus 4x minus x square. Here in part A, write f of x in the form a minus into x plus b whole square. A minus into x plus b whole square. We will write f of x in this form where a, b and c are constants. First of all, we are doing part A. Part A is f of x is given there in the question 1 minus 4x minus x square. We will make here the perfect square. To make the perfect square, this 1 we can write as it is. From other two we will take minus common. As we are making perfect square, here should be plus x square, okay? Due to that with x there is minus sign, due to that minus we are taking common. Then inside will be plus x square and plus 4x. Then 1 as it is minus as it is. Inside the bracket here we will make the perfect square. A square is x square plus 2 into a already there x. B we will write here 2 because here it should be 4x. Here 4x is available here in the second step. Then here we will make 4x. Then b we have to take here 2. After that b square, you know b square will be 2 square. Now you can see here this 1 as it is, minus as it is, x square as it is, 2 2s are 4x as it is. This is extra, this 2 square in 4. And this minus also multiplying with this 2 square, okay? It means here extra is minus 2 square. Minus 2 square means minus 4 is extra. If minus 4, we are subtracting 4, then outside we have to add 4 also. Outside we are adding 4. Then outside the bracket this 4 and in the beginning 1 is also there. Then here now outside the bracket is 1 and 4, then 1 plus 4 is 5, then inside the bracket here is x square plus 2x into 2 plus 2 square mean a square plus 2ab plus b square. It will be a plus b whole square. Then this is the form a minus into x plus b whole square. Now part B. In part B, sketch the graph of y equal to f of x. Y is equal to f of x. We have to sketch the graph. Now, first of all, to sketch the graph, we need the turning point. We need here turning point. Okay, you know turning point. How we can find is this is f of x in this function. How we can make the term containing square? How we can make that 0? If we are taking x is equal to minus 2, here x will be minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 will be 0. Okay. At x equal to minus 2, f of x or y, okay, Y also you can write, or f of x you can write. That will be this x is minus 2 plus 2, 0, 0 square is 0, everything 0 except this 5. Okay, then f of x will be 5. It means turning point here is x coordinate is minus 2 and y coordinate is 5. This is the turning point. Now we will find the intercepts. Intercepts mean the curve crosses x-axis, at which point crossing the x-axis and crossing the y-axis. Okay, you know, at x-axis y will be 0. We have to substitute y0 in the given function. This implies that what will be x? Y is 0. 0 is equal to the function is 1 minus 4x minus x square. 1 minus 4x minus x square. This minus x square, this side will be plus x square. Minus 4x, this side is plus 4x, and 1 other side is minus 1 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Here, to solve this one, we are breaking the middle term. If we cannot break, that is coming in decimal, then we are applying here the quadratic formula. In quadratic formula, minus b, here a is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant coefficient. A is 1, b is 4, and c is minus 1. You know the quadratic formula, minus b plus minus b square, square root of b square minus 4 is b is 4, 4 square, minus 4 into a is 1, and c is minus 1, divided by 2 into a is 1. Then x will be equal to minus 4 plus minus, here inside the bracket it will be 4 square 16. Then minus into minus plus 4, 16 plus 4 it will be 20. This complete will be 20 inside the bracket, divided by 2. After doing further simplification, here will be x equal to minus 4 plus minus this square root 20. 20, you know, we can write 5 into 4. Okay, 4 outside the bracket is 2, outside the square root is 2, and 5 will be inside the square root, divided by 2. Now this 2 we are dividing on both separate. On minus 4 when we will divide, it will be minus 2. On 2 square root 5 we will divide, to cancel by 2, only square root 5 will be there. Then here will be two values of x. One will be minus 2 plus square root 5, and other one is minus 2 minus square root 5. Okay, when you will calculate on the calculator in decimal, you will get two different answers, 0.236, and the other value is minus 4.236. Minus 4.236, you can write 4. Okay, these two values of x will be there. Now we will take x0 and we'll get the value of y. Then y will be equal to x0. You can see here, if x0 here x0, y will be only minus 1. Okay, y will be in the actual function. Just I'm checking. Actual function is f of x equal to 1 minus 4x minus x square. 1 minus 4x, x0 minus x square, that x also 0, it means y is equal to 1 here. These are the intercepts. Now we will draw the graph. To draw the graph, first of all, we need the turning point. Okay. This is y-axis, this is x-axis. First of all, the turning point is minus 2 and 5, x negative 2, okay, negative 1 and negative 2, minus 2, y is 5, 5 will be upward, we are going 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the point, minus 2, 5. Now on x-axis, these two values, when y will be 0, okay, x is 0.236. Suppose this is 1, then 0.236 will be very close to the origin here. Another one, minus 4.24, minus 1, minus 2, this minus 3, this is minus 4. 0.24 is little bit more than less than this one. Here, one point is this one, and the other point is this one. Now on y-axis, x0, y1, x0, y1 will be here. Okay, x0, y1. Now we are joining these points. Like this, and this side like this. This is the graph of y equal to 1 minus 4x minus x. Now in part C, he is saying draw the graph of modulus of this function. Okay? Graph of the modulus of this function. In modulus function, graph will be very simple. It will be like this. See. This is x-axis, y-axis. This is x-axis. X-axis, one point is here, one point here, and here is minus 1, minus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This point, and here is 2, 3, 4, and 4.24. Okay. Now here will be this curve like this. Okay, this both graph are same, but in modulus function, the portion of the curve that is above the x-axis, okay, that is above the x-axis, we will draw same. Here we will draw same above the x-axis. Okay. Above the x-axis is this one, and below the x-axis, that portion we will reflect above the x-axis. Okay, this is the reflection of the portion below the x-axis. Okay, this is the graph. This complete graph is without modulus. Okay, this is the graph for f of x is equal to 1 minus 4x minus x square, and this is the graph for f of x is equal to modulus of 1 minus 4x minus x square. I hope all you understood. Now we are going to do question number 3. Question number 3 is f of x equal to 2x square plus x minus 3. F of x equal to 2x square plus x minus 3. Then in first part, write f of x in the form a into x plus b whole square plus c. A into x plus b whole square plus c. Now this f of x is given, that is equal to 2x square plus x minus 3. To make the perfect square, here should be only x square. Okay, due to that we are taking 2 common. If 2 is common, then here will be inside plus x square plus here 2 is not available, then we have to divide 2 here. And this minus 3 we can keep outside the bracket. Now 2 as it is, inside the bracket we are making the perfect square. A square is x square plus 2 is from the formula. A is x. B we will write here the number that the complete this term should be x by 2. Then B we will write here 1 by 4. You can see here this 2 and 4 can cancel. Here will be x divided by 2. As B we have taken here 1 by 4, then B square is 1 by 4 whole square. And outside minus 3 as it is. Now you can see this 2 as it is, x square as it is, this 2 cancel with 4, here will be x by 2 as it is. This 1 divided by 4 whole square, 1 square is 1 divided by 4 square is 16. This 2 is also multiplying with this, okay, multiplying with this. This 2 and 16 can cancel, it will be 1 by 8, as we are adding 1 by 8, okay, as here the extra thing is we are adding 1 by 8, then we have to subtract also. We are subtracting here outside the bracket 1 by 8. Then this 2 as it is, inside the bracket what it will be, a square plus 2ab plus b square. A is x plus b is 1 by 4 whole square minus outside is 3 minus 3 minus 1 by 8. That will be 3 are 24 and 1 plus 125 by 8. You have to take the LCM, okay? As you already did so many times this type of LCM in the previous classes also, and now sorry have done. This 2 into x plus 1 by 4, you know that will be 0.25 whole square minus 25 divided by 8, that will be 3.125. 3.125. This is the form a into x plus b whole square plus c. Then he is saying sketch the graph of y equal to modulus of f of x. To sketch the graph, first of all, we need to find here the turning point. Okay, turning point here will be as this is f of x. Okay, but here we are doing for turning point. You know, at x equal to what value of x we will take here to make the term containing square. We will take here x minus 0.25. Then what will be f of x or y? As the term containing square 0, that will make everything 0 in the first term. Okay, the other will be f of x or y, that will be equal to minus 3.125. Means turning point here is minus 0.25 and minus 3.125. This is the turning point. Now we will find the intercept from where line crosses the axis. At x-axis, you know, y will be 0. We will substitute y 0 in the given question function. Y mean f of x 0. Okay, and there is 2x square plus x minus 3. 2x square plus x minus 3, this will be 0. Now here 2 3s are 6. We will break the middle term. 2x square plus 3x minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Okay, we are making here two factors. Now x we can take common. Here will be 2x plus 3 minus 1 we can take common. Here will be 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. Then 2x plus 3 is the common factor. Other factor will be x minus 1 is equal to 0. First factor we are taking equal to 0, then x will be 2x plus 3 equal to 0, then x will be minus 3 divided by 2. That means minus 1.5. And when x minus 1 0, x will be equal to plus 1. These two values on x. Now we will get to value of y when x 0 on y intercept. and y-axis line crossing the axis. Here x we will take 0, we'll substitute in the actual function, and that will gives us, as actual function is 2x, f of x equal to 2x square plus x minus 3, and 2x square x 0 plus x 0 and minus 3, it means now we have to draw the graph. This is y-axis, this is x-axis, as this is the turning point, minus 0.25 and minus 3.125. Okay, turning point here is minus 0.25. Suppose this is 1 and minus 0.25 is up to here, and minus 3.125. 3 mean 1, 2, 3 down will be here. Then two values of x. One is minus 1.5 and one is 1. This is 1, this 1.5, and this side is 1. Then here will be x0, y minus 3. Minus 1 minus 2, and that was 3 point, this was 3, 3.125 is little down, and 3 will be exactly on this. Then we will join these points like this. This will be the graph. But as here we are drawing the graph of modulus function, then we will sketch the portion of the curve above the x-axis as it is, and the portion of the curve that is below the x-axis, we will sketch the image of that one. That will be like this. This one, this in the black color, this is the graph of modulus of given function. Y is equal to modulus of f of x. This is the graph.